Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Wow, what can I say? What a day today. Just keeps on going down. There's no end, there's no sense to anything. Let's see where we are. Let's protect what we've got. Let's hold on to what we've got. A lot of, I apologize by being a few minutes late. I did have some technical issues here. I've rectified most of them. Some of them I'm now working on the fly to repair as we go. But anyway, let's go straight into our trades right now and see where we are. This is the S&P 500. Dipped down to that 331. Didn't break it. Virgin Galactic, I took a $50 loss and ready to buy it again because it just kept falling and falling and falling. I've got a very good position. I don't need to overdo it. I took a $50 loss. Sometimes it's got to be done to protect your, the trend is going the wrong way. I hate doing that, but, we're not in it to make $50, right? We're in it for a stock worth $100. That's the idea. So unfortunately, we had to take a loss there this afternoon, just trim back a little bit, protect the overall portfolio. Absolutely vital to do so. We're still trending down. We're trying to catch a falling knife, as everyone says, and it is what it is right now. So. Anyway, let's get into our comments. Who's here? What's going on? Let me go over the overall portfolio. As you can see, we're down nearly 9% today. It's trimmed back 8.84. Just terrible. Absolutely terrible. Let's read some of the comments. I want to drive a railroad train. I have no experience in it at all. I want to get hired even though I know I'm the right man for the job. There you go. Very bar. What does very bar mean? Hodls, keep holding to the moon, says Nitz Farrell. Your dollar cost average on the way down. Don't sell your entire portfolio. Sell 5 to 10% on up days and hold off on the buy, the dip. Build a good cash reserve. Lows will come in 6 to 12 months' time, says Market Profit. Market Profit, buying the dip is fine in a bull market. But we are in a bear market right now. No question about that. Anyone who doesn't say we're in a bear market is living on a different planet. It's a worse year. It's the worst. It's worst year for stock market. It is a very bad year. Higher lows, not lower lows, says 22. He's absolutely right, of course, but the danger of that strategy, of course, is you'll never catch the bottom and you'll always be paying more. But I mean, there's many ways to play the same thing. Good God, here we go. Mike, yes, BTD is suicide in a bear market. What's BTD? What's that? Sorry, BTD? Evening all, says Malk UK. Mum always told me not to play with matches, says Stephen Rowe. Yo, wow, down 8%. You are. Oh my God. Yeah, you're not kidding. I just keep taking the losses, keep taking the punches over and over again. I mean, my portfolio is just dire at the moment, absolutely dire. But I know things will get better. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You want to see pain? 48% down. I know. Just keep on losing. I hate it. It's horrible, and I don't like when everyone says they know the answers, they know what I'm doing wrong, they know what they're doing right. Nobody does. The greatest people lose money. You've just got to invest in the companies, not the share price, and hold on, keep repositioning. If I walked away, I'd lose everything, right? If I walked away, but I'm not. I'm actively watching and repositioning, waiting for things to get better. They have to one day. It's a simple fact. Otherwise, we just give up and just stop saving. Just forget it. Just do nothing. Let's have a look. Wow, you got to snipe back on the lows, says Stephen Rowe. Evening, everyone. Crag, Twitch. Yeah, I mean, I feel sick. I hate it. It's horrible. I don't like it. But everyone knows better. Everyone knows the right way to fix it. Well, they don't. And and the fact of the matter is, all markets are going down. If you've got a pension, your pension's been destroyed. If you've got money in the bank, your money's being destroyed with inflation. Nobody's winning. The only people that are winning are rich people. They're money on the outside who don't need to make any money. That's the only people, and they're the ones who are now telling everybody we're doing it all wrong and so on. It's about how you take the punches. That's how life is. Keep coming back, never be beaten, never give up. That's what it's all about. Nits for out, and I think it's going to be a long time till touchdown brings me round again to find another. That's a song thing. It's gonna be a long time. Touchdown brings me round. Yeah. I'm a rocket man. There we go. I was thinking that sounds like a song. Don't worry about catching the bottom. Buying soon after it is good enough. Well, that's all very well and good, but when's that going to happen? And that's all very well if you sell everything and sit on the outside. And I guarantee as soon as I sell everything, things are going to go up. And then I've lost even more money. That's the way it goes. You never win the fight if you sit out on the outside and moan at everything. There's a lot of people here now starting to just go, I'm sitting on the outside watching everybody lose money. That's up to you. Of course, you have the right to do it any way you want, but it's very, very easy to sit on the outside and tell everybody who's in the fight how to fight the fight. I mean, it's very, very easy. Very easy if you've got all the money in the world and you sat on the outside laughing at everybody. Easy. 1 day rally and 3 day spiral down. It's worse than roulette. It's awful. I said like a month ago, run to the hills. I'm already chilling on the hills. Well, you're not, are you? Because if you've run to the hills, your money is going down with inflation. You're not making any money. You're not losing any money, but your money's going down. That's a fact because inflation is going up. So the people sat on the hill saying, look at me, I know what I'm doing. I'm great. I'm clever. I knew what the future was going to bring. I know exactly where the world's going to go. No, you don't. No, you don't. You've just sat on the outside and watched everybody else in the fight. That's all you've done. Church of Logic. Stephen Rowe, I told you to sit back and just talk to us every day instead of buying. Stephen Rowe, I told you to sit back and just talk to us every day instead of buying the S&P 500, says Church. You're right. No one knows. It's about risk management. It is about risk management. And that's why today I sold the SPCE. I reduced, I trimmed it back. And here we go. We're going to rise into the close now. Quite likely to happen anyway. 4% yields on 2% treasuries. Again, market profit. You've got a load of money to buy that stuff. You know, market profit's now telling everybody how much money he's making because he's got money. He's got money to invest. It's very, very. If I had $1 million as well, I wouldn't be on the stock market either. I just put it in the bank and earn 4%. That'd be fine. But we're not in that position. Market profit is. You can't lose. People just stop gambling and think double-digit returns are normal. I know everything. I know everything. Don't believe me. Just ask me. There we go. The 1%, the 1% X Kidakazi. I'm not sure what that means. Or play shorts because the war is far from over. I don't believe in shorts. You know, guys, I've told you before, I never, ever bet against the system. I don't like shorts. I don't like it. I know you guys do it, and that's up to you, but I'm not for that. My Apple puts are doing great, says Willow. Evening or afternoon, or you're exactly right. All the know-it-alls have plenty of advice. Exactly. I'm in the fight. I'm fighting for my survival. Literally fighting for my financial survival while everybody's telling me what to do. The 1% wants us peasants to lose. Down 5.79 today, says Nits. This is Nick 22. You called it on Apple, man. No, everybody knew Apple was going to go down. That's no surprise. It's not hard to understand that people can't afford to buy a new phone. That doesn't mean to say you go and dump your Apple stocks. Apple is a great company. Again, it's the same strategy. People are investing in companies. Maybe I should give up and walk away. Maybe I should finally give up like everybody says. I should give up because I invest in companies, whereas everybody else is just investing in nothing. In nothing. Apple is a great company, but because Apple aren't selling so many phones, right, Apple's rubbish, I'm selling Apple, Apple's going to zero. So down goes Apple because everybody starts selling it. I thought Apple was a great company 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago, everybody thought Apple was a great company. Now Apple's not worth anything. I just cannot stand this nonsense. It drives me mad. It's costing me a bloody fortune. But what do I do? Keep on going. I will not accept it. I will not live that way. my chance to play that short because I thought, hey, is Apple, it's Apple people are sheeple. It's Apple people are sheeple. What a, God. Oh, God. It's one of the most profitable companies in the world. Suddenly it's not worth anything. What a shit day again. Trying to flush us out. Stay strong. This will end. Of course it will. Of course it will. The 1% wants the peasants to lose, says Kidakazi. Evening, old Tom. How are you? The Church of Logic. Cheers. The evil plan of 1%. I have lost 3% with inflation. People gambling in the stock market lost 30 to 40%. Again, and I repeat again and again and again. Very easy for Market Profit to say he has millions of dollars in the bank. He's earning loads of money on interest. He doesn't need to grow a portfolio. He doesn't need risk. Very, very different situation. There are people here really losing their asses because people are scalping and selling everything, short in the market. And it's people with money who are short in the market, it seems. I don't get it. I said we would go up at the close. You did indeed. Let me go back to Virgin Galactic. Look at that, 485. It's going back up again. My average is now 515. I trimmed back a little bit. Okay, 4% is better than what my bank is giving me. Yes, it's better than what your bank is giving you, Church, because Market Profit has got a lot more money than you and I. That's why. If I was earning 4%, I wouldn't need to invest, would I? If I earned 4% without any risk whatsoever, I could do that. Mind you, having said that, that would not reach my goal, would not achieve the money I need to live on. Unfortunately, that's the reality of it. All right. Okay, this is very hard to hear. Really struggling hearing everybody just keep telling everybody that they knew what was going to happen. Nobody knows what was going to happen. Nobody. Because as soon as it goes up, oh, I knew it was going to go up. Bloody hell. Right, okay, where are we now? So, quick commercial break. Be back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Wow, it's tough. It's tough for me. Very, very tough. I feel like I'm being smashed and bashed around on the rocks. Very, very difficult for me. Right. People watching right now. There's 32 watching. There's 9 likes. Everyone has forgotten to watch the video. I have no idea what that's all about. Everybody smash the like button. Come on. It's a 1 minute on the clock. We need 30 likes. Let's get the likes up. Come on. Nth phase is coming back. Dexter Sickles got the first dividends from VWR. Not much, but it's a start. Absolutely, Sid. Every penny counts. Every penny counts. You done well, Martin. Regardless, you started with $5,000 and you're doing well with your averages. Well, yeah, I know, but we're losing it all now. I should go on up at the close if people are closing short positions. It isn't really buying. It should go up on the close if people are closing short positions. It isn't really buying. It's another fake out, another whatever it is. Oh, the bloody hell. Right, let's bring the 1 minute on the clock. We need 20 likes in 1 minute. Hello everyone. Oh, bloody hell, tough this is. Robinhood paying 3.5 interest for gold plan. I believe I'm going to do away with my bank account and just have Robinhood start loaning out my stocks and reinvesting dividends. Sounds good. Banks don't give back anything. The queen of self-braiding. People are so impatient. Exactly. That's all it is. That's why all the scalping is going on. No one's investing anymore. It's greed. It's just ridiculous. It's heartbreaking, really. No one's investing anymore. From what I'm learning here, no one's investing anything. Everyone's just scalping, robbing, stealing. It's just a bloody... It's the OK Corral, isn't it? Right, smash the like button. We've got 10 seconds to go. Let's see if we can get up to 30 likes. See if we can get there. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Why would you not sell something if you know it's going down? I don't know it's going down. Why would you not sell something if you... Oh, I see. Why would you not sell something if you know it's going down? I know. I get it. 22. I've done it. I did it this morning. I did it an hour ago. Virgin Galactic was going down. I decided to... It was trending further down than I can afford. My risk management, I looked at it. And as always, sold it here, of course, and it went straight back up. But there you go. It's because we're still trending down, I'm trying to catch the bottom. I'm trying to invest. So yeah, you have to sell. I did. I sold at a loss. I lost $50 this morning, maybe 100 actually, because I couldn't allow this to go any lower. So yes, you have to. I get it. That makes no sense at all. You're just taking money out of your own pocket and giving it to someone else. I totally get that. If you know how bad the companies, if you know the bad companies in a bear market, you can't lose on puts. You can't lose on puts. Hang on a second, church. Hang on a second. I said earlier, you and market profit seem to be married right now. Market profit says it, you believe in it. Hang on a second, church. A few weeks ago, before you were listening to market, you were saying you were down and down and down on your options trading. Options trading had wiped you out. You were losing all your money. Now you're saying you can't lose on puts, which is options trading. This is, stay the course. This is the thing. I think we have to learn and be flexible and adapt, but don't suddenly say, this is no good, this strategy doesn't work, and now I'm doing it the complete opposite. We proved today. I've got a list of things here market profit said, and he was wrong on. One of those, he was absolutely adamant Nancy Pelosi was going to get shot out of the sky. That never happened. He was absolutely adamant my portfolio would reach 100 grand by the end of the year. That isn't happening at the moment, right? Nobody here knows everything. And people are starting to think, this guy knows everything. The moment they get something right, they forget all the times they got it wrong. Anyway, I just want to balance it out. See you guys again when petroleum reaches $70. The market has already crashed. I don't know why people keep trying to fight against the guys who control the world. It's funny. Market will be a bear for a while. Nits Farrell, I love they make money on the way down and again on the rise. That will come in time. I am losing my arse for sure and can't get out now. Mike, I'm right with Mike. See, me and Mike are in so much pain right now, and it's really, really tough. And see, risk management. I sold my Virgin Galactic here to protect myself. At the moment it sold, it bloody went up again. Scalping is just sad. We will dump some more tomorrow, being all bad companies have earnings. Martyn, when you're trimming and holding, why do you trim your winners rather than your losers? Martyn, when you are trimming a holding, why do you trim your winners rather than your losers? Why do I trim my winners? I think you need to trim both. You might need to take some money out and move it to buy something that's you think it's got more potential. You might need to trim your losers if you think they're going to continue to go down. I think that makes sense. CCL and the rest of the energy stocks tomorrow will have below expectations. Yep, no doubt about that. You won't lose in the stock market if you treat stock market as investment rather than a casino. Thanks, Houston. SPY and Space, identical charts. That's an interesting point. Nevius. SPY and Space, identical charts. Again, shows you it's got nothing to do with stocks. Nothing to do with the company whatsoever. That proves it right there. Virgin Galactic, Ed, doesn't it? Our investment's bleeding today. Hey, Martyn, let's keep mentally strong, though. Yeah, I need some support right now. I'm really struggling with this. I am really struggling again. Emotionally, to keep this going and keep losing money and keep losing money. And everybody knows the best way of doing everything. And, at the same time, market profit's gone quiet again now. Market profit... Like I just said, I've written it down. He's been wrong 60% of the time, but now everybody's focused on market profit knows because it's all going down. No one forgets. Everyone's forgetting the times he got it wrong. Anyway, like 12 here. Stephen Lewandowski from Florida. No damage here, no pain, no power on the generator. I'm so pleased that Stephen is okay. we are thinking of all your friends, of course, on the West Coast. Yes, of course, more important. Nerd Wallet went up 9% the past week. I played a short on it. There's Church. Losing money is a horrible feeling. I do feel for you. Yeah, when it's all the money I've got. When it's all the money I've got. Dexter Sickles. Oh, look at that. My entire income is YouTube. What I do here is my entire income. And I've put it all into the stock market. And thanks for the super chat, Dexter. You're obviously entitled to a song now. Thank you for your support, mate. Appreciate that very much indeed. Unfortunately, that is the market and the situation people pull in this mess around the world. It's dog eat dog. Hey guys, Seb Dean, how are you, mate? Feeling so much pain right now. So much pain. It's just ridiculous. Look at that. One of my biggest ever losses. Yeah. Yeah, it was call options I was being burned on. Yeah, okay, but you know, it's still options trading. You said you always make money on puts, but you lost on call options. You still lost money though. I mean, you know, puts are shorting. Yes. In my opinion, Nancy getting shot down, good one. That's what market profit. Absolutely adamant. He was 100% certain on it. No one knows 100%. Oh, they do. Lots of people here know 100%. I love when people bet and the past and don't pass and roll. There you go. Everyone gets things wrong. I've blown 3 accounts. There we go. And it's a lot of money too. Come on, 22. Mortgage is already on 7%. The history showed us on 8%. Nobody paid the bills. The only BTC down on Binance. I must leave. Hang on. I must to leave. Hang out. See you later. Okay, Scrooge. See you later, Scrooge. Let's get further. I'm getting behind the comments here. I need to scroll down and miss a few out. We're getting too many comments today. You're welcome. Thank you very much, Dexter. Martin, I'm in the same boat as you, down 10 grand, but keeping the faith and love listening to you and the gang. Thank you so much indeed. You haven't lost money until you sell. Yeah, well, I've sold and lost a lot of things. Get out of leverage and just relax. Yeah, that's all very well and good, but if you've got no money to invest in, how do you make any money? Take a deep breath, relax, everything will be okay. Am I admitting that I was a Super Bowl on Ford and Space and did call options? Yes. I have no faith in the Fed. I have no faith in the Fed, says Market Profit. You're going to stress yourself and your wife out. I am already stressed, but it's how I deal with it. Remember, I keep saying it, it's about how many punches you can take. Eventually, the punches will stop, and I will be here like Rocky in the corner, bruised and blooded, but I will be here when the final bell goes up, when my enemy will be on the floor. This is a valuable channel. I listen every day. Thank you, Dexter. Waiting game now. Yes, you deserve to kick back and relax. I've got one more day to go and then I'm off. I've got a break. But as I say, I have absolutely... I could not believe actually how much work this was, but I've done it. Let me scroll to the bottom. I need to catch up. Is this your worst day to date? Yes. I have been up 11%, but I don't think I've been down 8 before. This is one of my worst ever days, yeah. Not his worst day. I think I was up 11. I don't think I was down 11. I think this is one of the worst. I have been seeing for months and months, get out, it's okay. I have been saying for months and months, get out, it's okay, hold strong. One more big leg down left. One more big leg down left, says Ali Tisro. I like what Ali says, not just because he's, giving me optimism. Ali tends to be right a lot more often than he's wrong. Looking at my information here, Ali Tisro is a lot more right than market profit is, and Ali Tisro is a lot more optimistic. I'll tell you that for nothing. It's more like 75. I take note of these things. 75 times out of 20 out of 100, Ali Tisro seems to be right. If you take punches, you'll get serious brain damage. Probably. Martyn, I've invested my whole 401k when I retire, and it's down 25% loss so far. You know it's not as much as it hurts. Like, I know it's not as much. I mean, yeah. You've seen me cry on this show, and I'm very close to that today, because trying to keep it entertaining, keep it professional, remember, this is my real money. I'm putting on a show, but this is my real money. This is all my real money. And I don't even have the money in the bank right now. Like, I told you that, right? I sometimes wonder if people believe that, but I can assure you it's correct. But yeah, everything is here. Everything is on the line, because if you're going to do it, if you're going to do a day trader show, if you're going to do some kind of show, for me, it has when people are watching you, listening to you, and listening, it's got to be real. You can't just make stuff up, and unless you are literally don't care about everybody else, and you don't mind sitting here lying. I mean, I can't do that. I just can't do that. Anyway, let's see. I want to see if I can do something for you now. I don't know if it's possible. I'm just trying to qualify all of this, just give everybody the full picture of everything. I just want to see if I'm able to. Okay. 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 It does look like I can. Okay. Oh, thanks for the super chat, Mike. I'm just checking something before I do this. Okay. This has never been done before. Never, ever. Ian Jackson, $50. Are you coming to the party? Is that for the party? Is that for the party? You just done a super chat for $50. Is that for the party? Ali wouldn't agree with you, Martyn. Jason, absolutely agree with you. Is it possible, if possible, flood Martyn? Oh, what? Sorry, Martyn, you can end the show early, man, and spend time with your wife. This YouTube and stocks isn't everything. Your members not going anywhere. Neither am I. To be honest, Martyn, you're only down 2,000 gambling. You're still in the market to live another day. Sometimes, right. Hang on. So, Ian Jackson, you've just given me a $50 super chat. Ian, are you England? Is that to come to the party? Because you have a ticket now if you wished, if that's what that was for. Right. I wanted to share this because this is happening too quick, right? I decided to do this because of COVID. You know the reason why I'm here. I lost my income. All my gigs were cancelled. And then I've got the bloody bulging disc, 6 bulging discs in my back, so I can't carry gear anymore. So the days of doing big shows, so they're over. So I went on YouTube, started investing for the first 10 months, doing it for free, building up an audience. And I keep telling you that this is all my money, and I'm right up to my limit. So I was able to pull it up and check it. Okay, look, this has never been done on the show before. What you're about to see now, no one has ever done on YouTube, right? No one has ever done on YouTube. This is my actual bank account. I have no more money. This is my Bank of America. There is my business, $1,200. Remember I told you, $1,500. There is my credit card, zero. That credit card is like the Martyn Lucas LLC. That's like the day-to-day bills that come out of the LLC. Look, that's it. $56 in my savings, $1,200 in the bank. That's it. That's it. That is my Bank of America online bank account. Has anyone ever done that on YouTube before? No. I have no 401k. I'm a self-employed person. I have nothing. What you see on screen is what I have. So you know that you are following a real journey. What you are following here is real. Okay? So I ain't pumping and promoting and talking a load of flipping nonsense. I'm trying to turn 34,000 into 200. All the money I have in the world. All the money I have in the world. Okay, you're absolutely right. Markets are looking forward. This has happened many, many times before. You can never time it. No, awesome. Whoa. Ian Jackson, song request. Amazing. Awesome. Nicky Boy for your reaction. Sadly, I can't make it. Oh, okay. In England, okay, 15th of October. I just wanted to double check. Okay, so that you can't. So that was just for supporting the channel. Well, thank you very much, Ian Jackson. Very kind of you. Huge. Thank you so much. Ian is awesome. Thank you. Take a break before you break. Jake, I will never break. I will never break. Knit, so cruel. Sometimes money is necessary to live. Hey, read the art of... I can't read that out. Scroll down. Ali, Leisha, be grateful. So many have so much less. The 500 is flying now. Nice. Okay, let's have a look. The S&P 500. Let's go over to our position right now. 7.5% is moving. The S&P 500 is picking up. Love it, Martin. Thank you so much. So you know it's real, right? It's important. Okay. So you can see why I took $100 loss. It was necessary today because Virgin Galactic, I don't invest in the price. I invest in the company, and I know it's oversold. And it's only oversold because people are shorting, fear, so on and so forth. This is a great company. This is what Amazon was when it came out. This is what Tesla was when it came out. Excuse me. Don't forget to activate your new card. The reason why I haven't activated my new card, Jason, because it hasn't arrived in the post. It hasn't arrived in the bloody post. If you activate it, it's in the post somewhere and someone can use it. Exactly. That's so funny. Does anybody want to see, my birth certificate and my national social security number? I mean, is there anything else I can share with the world? Maybe you'd like my credit card PIN number. I mean, anything else? I mean, seriously, who does this? Who does this? I done 18-hour stream the other day. Oh, Nicky Boy Gaming. Nicky Boy Gaming. I'm glad you're in, because I wanted to pass on some messages. You wasn't in yesterday, and several people were in here chatting away, and I was chatting to some people in Discord, and they were telling me that they enjoyed your gaming channel. So you have people here from the Day Trader who are actively watching your gaming channel and enjoying it. I'm not a gamer. It's not for me. Games stress me out. I've got enough stress, but there are people here who enjoy your content, and I'm very pleased that you've been able to pick up fans and people that are enjoying your content, which is great. A very good evening to you, says Al Crazy. Money don't make us happier. No, it doesn't. That's why I just want a little bit to pay the bills. How long have you been trading? Since this has been 14 months now. 14 months. And I came in at the worst time in history, didn't I? I came in at the worst time in history, but you know what? It's the best time in history. Why is it the best time in history? Let me show you why it's the best time in history. Why is it the best time in history to come into the stock market? Why? Because if I had came in here, COVID, I would have made so much money, and I would have thought the money could never run out, because that was all post-COVID, right? I came in about here, and I made a little bit of money. It went up and up and up and up and up, and then it's all collapsed, right? So I've come in at a time when the markets are heading to depression and God knows what else. So it's making my backbone. It's like you say, I'm getting brain damage with the punches, but I'm learning the hard way. And I think the only way to learn is the hard way. So that's always been my belief. I've arrived with clean out. I'm glad about that. Don't forget, Friday and Saturday night, I'm streaming on Mixcloud Music Throwback. Great stuff. People will check you out, Nicky Boy. Anyway, I need to run a quick commercial break. So I've got some news for everybody. In fact, yeah, I'll do it now, and I've got some big news for everybody. Here we go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. I've got another update for you all. Here we go. Skip this ad. I'll be right back. Okay. Now then, for those of... I'll give you a minute, actually. Get everybody back in the house. And I've got an announcement to make. I'm glad you can do your gigs now. Well, yeah, they're only piano bar gigs. They're not like the big shows I used to do. But it does give me a little bit of money. Living on YouTube is about 10, 15 bucks a day. Some days it's more, like today, 50 bucks, of course. But overall, it's about 10 bucks. I was watching your music video, Martyn, was going to do the duo with you. Love it. Love it. So anyway, once everybody's back in, I've got a brief announcement to make. I think everybody, just give it a second, because with the commercial break, sometimes you get a few people get behind. Give it a second. Thank you all. Okay, I think most people are back in the house now. There we go. You're back with me. So the announcement I wanted to make is this, right? I have finally finished a marathon job. So as of tomorrow is the cash prize giveaway. So first of all, has everybody, oh, here we go. Now we got all the spam to deal with as well. Hide user from channel. Yeah, I'm going to hide you again. Yeah. You keep coming in and I keep hiding you. Anyway, so tomorrow is the cash prize giveaway. Every single Friday, without fail, I've always given a cash prize away. That's tomorrow morning. As everybody watched the videos in the newsletter, as everybody entered the competition, that's tomorrow morning. Even if you're not bothered about winning 10 bucks, please watch the video, because the idea is one day it might cover the $10 video. $10. At the moment, I get about 50 cents to give away 10 bucks, but I'm investing in you, right? I'm investing in the family, okay? So that's why we do that. That's for tomorrow morning. Then the closing bell tomorrow, and that's it. I am done. I have sat here for a year and a half. I haven't had a break. I'm having a break tomorrow on Monday. So I'm going to get England. We're going to film Virgin Orbit. We've got the day trader party, of course. If you want to be there, you can be there on the 15th of October. I'll give you all the final information for that tomorrow. And then from Monday, I want to keep the family together. So every opening bell, at the opening bell time, well, you're all used to it now, and the closing bell time, you're all used to it. There'll be a video coming out every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, opening, closing bell, same time as always, a short 5 to 8 minute video covering all the top questions that you have asked me here on the Day Trader. If you look below on the uploads, you will see. But if you've rung the bell and you tune in every day, you will see it. Look at all this lot. Here we go. It starts at the bottom. Look, what is a short? What is a long? What is a bull market? Is it a good time to buy? Always up. This is my new thumbnail, by the way. My new thumbnail with the chart. Can you see it? What is a dead cat? A bull market rally? All these things are going to come out on the days and the times that you always tune in. So the idea is that you'll be there, and the idea is it's members only can chat. Only members can chat on those videos. Okay? Only members can chat. And I think I can show you what I mean. So the idea is everybody will talk and chat about what's going on in the stock market, keep the family together. You'll all be able to, go live every day with each other. That was the purpose of it, just to keep everyone together, members only, and all the rest of it. If you want to highlight your name, you can do a super thanks, all that kind of stuff. That's the last one. That's the last one. This is my new thumbnail for 2023. This is the new thumbnail. I hope you like it. Anyway, so look, if you look in the live chat, It doesn't say yet because it's not gone live yet, but it will say members only. All right, members only in the live chat. Oops. Anyway, okay. And the idea is the members every day can chat, and there you go. Now then, there might be a bit of a surprise for those of you that watch a draw. Those of you that watch the whole thing every day, 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes at night. Leave a comment below in the main comments. There might be a little prize at the end of it. There might be a little prize at the end of it. Okay. So that starts on Monday. Let's have a look. Read some comments out. Martyn, you're going to do a live podcast. On the 15th of October, there's going to be at the party a live opening bell show for everybody that's there. And it'll also be, for those of you will be able to tune in as a live feed as well. Yes, you'll be able to see everybody at the hotel in Cornwall. And there is the upcoming live streams. Hang on, I'll show you. Upcoming live streams. You'll all be able to watch that. But also, I'm going to go live from Cornwall and different places, but it's members only because the videos might not be what general public want to see. So they're members only videos. There you go. There's the live show from Cornwall, which you can all tune in with. Okay. Just look on the upcoming live streams. All right. Anyway, back to your messages. So yeah, I will go live, but there'll be members only unless it is purely stock related. Otherwise, I will be doing members only. Generator running and the beer's cold again. Only thing to do is hold stocks and wait, says Stephen Lewandowski. And we're so glad you're well. Meta has announced a hiring freeze for company restructuring. Down nearly 4% now. We knew that was coming. Explains why Meta has fallen so much. They are changing stuff up. Yeah. It shall only charge you $10 to do that. What is that there? The day trader, I'll be in charge of the show. Just ship the studio to my address. All my moderators, Mike, Queen, Church, you guys have got a really important job to do while I'm away. Please take care of the channel. I'll pop in wherever I can, of course. That's what I want to do. Leave the door key for Queen. I love it. Just ship the studio to my address. Hi everyone, hope everything is well, doing very well. There you go. I'll slay all. I know you will, Mike. And don't forget, everybody, watch all the videos. Leave a comment below every video, and it'd be very interesting to do because I've never done. Oh, we might have a song request today. Nicky Boy Gaming's here. Nicky Boy Gaming is back. Here he is. Yeah, we might... I forgot what I was going to say now. Doesn't matter. Nicky Boy Gaming. Thank you, Nicky Boy Gaming. How are you, mate? You want a song? You want a song request? While the cat's away, the mice will play. Party time. Yeah, you can do whatever you like. You can do whatever you like in the chat. But I will pop in and see what's going on, though. Obviously, the mods will be sending my £10 super chats for my songs. Stephen Rowe. Right. I hope everybody's going to call in tomorrow on the last show. It's been a year and a half, Monday to Friday, for a year and a half. Sultans of Swing. It's up to Nicky Boy Gaming. It's his song request. It's his song request. He's the one who paid the $10, so he gets to choose the song, I'm afraid. Anyway. The S&P is going up. I bought more. Sultans of Swing by Dire Straits. Nicky Boy Gaming, you've got it. You've got it. Sultans of Swing, Dire Straits. There you go. Fantastic. We'll do that in just a moment then. We've got 10 minutes to go before the market closes. I'm exhausted. There's two songs who sent the first. There's two songs who sent the first. No, they didn't want requests. They didn't ask for songs. They didn't ask for songs. It's just... they were giving me a tip just to support the channel. We've got one request. Kramer is blaming Apple for the massive sell-off. The guys need to retire. Look. People aren't buying phones because they've got no money. Is it Apple's fault? Would everybody have bought a phone if they'd made it glow in the dark or jump up and down? No, they wouldn't. Apple did the right thing. I've got to say, I'm not trying to promote Apple, but they froze their prices. They didn't increase the price of the the iPhone, right? What more can you do? What more can you do? Nobody wants to buy a new phone because they haven't got any money. I don't care if the phone was glowing in the dark. I was never going to buy another phone. I can't afford to. Anyway. Down 7.36. We got 7.43. We'll do the day trader of the day in a minute. Is Virgin Galactic going back down again? Can you see why I trimmed off? I gave it a go. I got in. I decided to buy more Virgin Galactic. The price came down again. I lost. It's the way it is. And I'll look to get it again, and I'll try again. I'll keep coming back. If someone wants a request on my super chat, it's okay. There we go. If somebody wants a request on Dexter's, you can. So there is a free request going if anybody wants one. There you go. I'm about to buy a new phone, a S22 Max. Very, very good indeed. Dexter, in a reversal, the education department is now excluding millions from student loan relief. Excluding millions from student loan relief. Well, that'll be good for SoFi then. Because SoFi make money out of student loans. So let's make those students pay their loans back without giving all the money away. You were right. The Church of Logic, you were right. In verse, the cursed Kramer's words, he prayed for the Queen's health and she's passed the same... What? In verse, the cursed Kramer's words, he prayed for the Queen's health and she passed the same day. Oh, hello. I'm in SoFi now. Yeah, so am I. And all I ever do is lose money on it. But, I mean, does anyone ever make any money on anything these days? I mean... Senate passes stopgap funding bill to avert government shutdown. Provide more Ukraine aid. Me too again, Stephen. The chat is very busy today. Very busy, very difficult for me to keep up with it. I love it though. IonQ, PayPal. Right, we've got 7 minutes to go. Rolls Royce. Hey, there we go. Rolls Royce making money. Is anyone buying right now? Well, I tried this morning. I bought some more SPCE. Unfortunately, I sold here. Normally, I buy here and sell here, but that didn't work out today. Today, I took the pain. Kramer, does he know his stuff? Does he know his stuff? I watch Kramer. He sounds a bit like... what's the bloody... Not Ewok or whatever it's called, but anyway, I find it hard to understand what he's saying half the time, but anyway. New York expedites efforts to ban the sale of new gas cars by 2035. That's already happened in the UK and Europe. 2030, I think we're done. I gained more subscribers since you promoted my channel. You always will, Nicky boy, and the more channels, the more members we get, the more people I will be able to promote you to. Kramer is a lot of hit and miss. Kramer, again, is a bit like Meet Kevin. It's good entertainment. It's loud. It's fast. It's crazy. It's headline grabbing. Gets you to watch. It doesn't always make any sense. It's not always the best advice, is it? I mean, you can judge someone by their advice if they get it wrong more often than they get it right. And I'm out on that one at the moment. I haven't fully decided which if he's right more often than he's wrong. I don't take that much notice, to be honest. But church and market, I do, and Ali Tisro, I do. I have little polls. I write them all down. Good luck with driving an electrical car during a hurricane. Why? What's going to happen? What's going to happen during a hurricane if you've got an electric car? Martin, just quit today and go and get a good dinner and a beer. I will finish the job, Mike. I've got one show to do. One day to go. Tomorrow. And that is it. Which company will make Which company will be making electric planes? Tesla. Tesla's doing that already. They're already doing it. Gonna see everyone struggling even when price cap for our gases. Just remember, after you finish using your oven, leave the door open and keep the heating costs down. EV cars don't do well in bad snowstorms and rain. It's proven already. EV cars don't do well in bad snowstorms and rain. It's proven already. Okay. Portland Law 202. Oh, Portland Law, I was going to say, over there on Twitch, make sure that you subscribed to my Twitch using Amazon Prime. It's free. I've got 16 subscribers right now. If you subscribe to me on using Amazon Prime Gaming, it's free. Every first Friday of the month, I do a cash giveaway. All the money I get on subscribers, I give back to my subscribers on Twitch. You might as well. It's free money. If you have Amazon Prime, you might as well subscribe to me on Amazon Prime Gaming. It's free. And the more money I earn, the more money I give you. It's free, right? I'm tempted. Tesco. I know. Can you believe Tesco? Tesco, $6.59. Can you believe how low this is? Can you believe how low Tesco is? I'll never get on an electric plane ever. Hang on a minute, church. It's more reliable than a gas car. What are you talking about? People said to me, I've had people say to me, I wouldn't go on a electric plane because what if it goes into the clouds and there's no sun? You don't drive around your car plugged into the electric, do you? It's already charged up. It's already charged up. But the beauty is, what makes an electric plane better than a gas plane is you put the gas in on the ground and eventually the gas could run out. So eventually you fly around long enough, it will fall down. Whereas an electric plane is fully charged before it leaves the airport, and if it's got solar wings, it'll be being charged while it flies. So on that very basis, an electric plane is more reliable from the point of view of running out of fuel than a gas one. So that is a completely nonsense comment. I will never get on an electric plane. People said that a million years ago. I'm never getting in a car. Well, no one has a problem now, do they? Kramer is wrong 90% of the time. Church. Snipped in effect. Electric cars are not always to blame. One EMP fired by an accident from Russia in North Korea, and we're all one EMP fired by an accident from Russia, North Korea. Well, anyone could fire a bloody missile at a plane, it will come down, won't it? Electric plane will have petroleum engines too, or I won't get on either. If the people who build electric cars are to blame, oh my gosh, you guys come out with some stuff. You need a very long extension lead to run an electric plane. Yeah, you do. Very long one. What happened to Ed? Ed Nevius, he was here earlier. We allow selling classes. We allow, what's that? Patrick Lang, TikTok users are not happy you ignore us. Well, what do you mean I ignore you? How can I possibly ignore you? You are watching my YouTube show and the link is right there to come into YouTube. I can't, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to look that way and that way at the same time? Patrick Lang, TikTok users are not happy you ignore us. Well, what can I say? I mean, you're not a subscriber. You're not a member. I thought it was my show to do what I like. I'm here to serve everybody. But obviously, if you don't come onto YouTube so I can talk to you, how am I supposed to? Anyway, Patrick Lang, it's great to have you here. Finally, I can talk to you. Anyway, great. Welcome to the family. You need a lot of pound coins to put in the meter as you fly. What's your Twitch handle, Martin? Okay, links are all below in every video, in all the comments. But I will give it to you to make it easier for you. Here is my Twitch handle. All my links for everything are on the all links button, which I give you all the time. And the links are all below every video on the all links button. Can't make it easier, but there you go. The bell is now gone. Let's ring the bell. Patrick Lang has just subscribed. Patrick Lang, he's here. Patrick Lang has just subscribed to the channel. You might notice, Patrick, everybody, 95% of our viewers are members. There's a reason for that. We have the highest percentage to members of live viewers on YouTube. Even Mr. Beast does not have as many members who watch him live as members. We have 95% of our viewers live are members. It's the highest engagement rate on YouTube. That's official. Because we're live 10 hours a day. We've raised over $1 million for our members. We have cash giveaways all the time. Everything is real. Everything is true. You can call in. I answer every question. I speak to every person. I reply to every comment. And we have many, many perks, including you can have music, as I'm the world piano man here in my studio behind me. I'll show you. Look, see? I'll give you a wave. And we've got some music coming up in the show in a minute. There you go. And if you subscribe on Twitch, like Steezy G just asked me, you'll be in our free prize draw using Amazon Prime every first Friday of the month. Okay. Okay. Flying is a risk, whether gas or electric. Can you imagine an electric cruise ship? There are electric boats. There are already electric ships. Get over to YouTube, says Stephen Rowe. Absolutely, scroll up. Ed Nivius says scroll up. I'm scrolling up. What do you want to look at, Ed? I can't see anything. I'm scrolling up, scrolling up, scrolling up. Okay, that's enough. I've scrolled up for 10 minutes now. I can't see anything. I'll come back down again. Just repeat your comment. I missed it. He is very busy, I understand. I might be a little bit busy. Virgin Transatlantic will dump because they won't work. Virgin Transatlantic will dump because they won't work. Virgin Transatlantic will dump? Patrick Lang, what does that mean? Explain again and we'll try and understand what you mean. Sorry I was sticking up. Sorry I was sticking up. No, don't apologise. Not at all. Not at all. I try to offer the best service for my TikTokers. I keep saying come into YouTube. I can't do no more than that. We are family. I got you, brother and sisters, with me. Welcome, man, and welcome to YouTube. Virgin Transatlantic will dump because they won't woke. I don't understand the comment. Martin, I lost my hair 20 years ago. What a card that was. What a card game that was. Stephen Rowe, let's have a look. Mr. Martin, I'm here. Ed Nevius. Hello, hello, hello. How are you, Ed? Paper planes, says Patrick. Hydrogen planes next. Right, finally I got through all the comments. Wow, that was a challenge. Anyway, let me go back to the main portfolio. We got day trader of the day. Any news from Virgin Galactic? Yes, as a matter of fact, I received another email today from Virgin Galactic about more positions of hiring. Right now, every day is the same. More positions of hiring. I see it over and over again. That is all I can report. But a company would not be hiring people if it was about to pack up and go home, would it? All right? If a company keeps hiring new positions and finding those positions because they are filled, and I've checked that, by the way, that means the company must be doing something right. Otherwise, why would you be doing it? Right, we got day trader of the day. Virgin Transatlantic will dump because they won't woke. That makes no sense. They won't work. Woke. Do you mean won't work? I did buy and I'm holding. Do you mean Virgin Galactic? Patrick Lang, I think you're getting confused between Virgin Atlantic. Do you mean Virgin Galactic? And what do you mean they won't work? They do work. I'm going to the Virgin Orbit space station in next week, and I'm also going to the Virgin Galactic space station next year. And I can assure you they do work, and I've worked for Richard Branson on his experiences, so I know exactly where it's going. Anyway, I've got no doubt about Virgin Galactic, 100%. It's why I keep buying. Virgin Galactic will do reverse split. No. If they do that, that would be very, very bad for investors. I don't believe they need to do that because as soon as they fly next year, everything will fly up. You missed it again. All good. LOL, you missed it again. What did I miss, Ed Nevius? There's nothing coming through. Martin, I'm here. I read that. And there's nothing after that. Yeah. I've read Martyn is here, and I've read you missed it again. There's nothing else in between. Ed was timed out for some reason. Did someone time Ed out? Who timed Ed out? No one should have any reason to time Ed Nevius out. I don't see that. Church, Church, why did you time out Ed? If you have time, please hop into lessons on my channel when you're away. I will do. Ed Nevius, can I ask Church, why did you time out Ed? Nothing wrong with that comment at all. Didn't hide him. Okay. Right, okay. Well, you make Church, you may have the same situation that you may have been hacked the same as Bill was. You need to update your password. This is exactly what happened. Exactly what happened to Bill. I need to remove you as a moderator until you update your password. You are saying that you didn't do it, so it's happening on your behalf. This is exactly what happened to Bill. Bill had the same problem. He started deleting posts. It's because your account may be compromised. Your YouTube account may be compromised somewhere along the way. And because of that, your account is able to delete posts when it shouldn't and so on. So what I'm going to do temporarily, until you've updated this situation, I'm going to remove you as a moderator. Temporarily, I'll add you back. I did it twice for Bill, and it still kept doing it. So I decided that enough's enough. He's not fixed the problem. So for you, please go and update your security on YouTube. You do have a compromised account. It's when you've got piggybacks going on into your account, and they're able to act on your behalf. So that's what's happening. So once you fix that, just tell me you've updated your password and you've turned on second factor authentication, and then I'll add you back and we'll try again. But that's what's happened. Anyway, I hope you understand, mate. Ed, I need help, mate. Right, we've come to the end of the show. We need to wrap up. I use VPN. That's nuts. VPN can actually be part of the problem. I used to use VPN a lot, and actually I do not find it to be secure, because remember, when you go through a VPN, it hides your IP address, but now you're going through a system that everybody else is going through, and actually there can be problems with that. I decided to not use a VPN anymore. I find it actually not helpful with a VPN. I know why you do it, but actually my experience is whenever I try to circumvent the systems, which is what VPN is after all, we're trying to be able to do things, not do things that we're not supposed to do, but in a way we are, because we're hiding our IPN. We are trying to get content that's not available to us. Whenever you try to beat the system, I found it always goes against you. Always. And YouTube, obviously, they're looking out for people using VPNs. I found it not to be successful. But that's entirely up to you. I understand. Change my password right now. I have two-step verify. Great. Failing that, call the police. How crazy. That's funny. That's what we'll do. We're going to call the police. Church of Logic, we're going to call the police. Yep, call the police. Church of Logic, can't have Church of Logic on the channel anymore. We're going to call the police. I agree. Right. We will update you again tomorrow. iPhones have the option to hide your IP. Maybe do that. I don't think VPNs are as good as they used to be. I've tried loads of NordVPN. I've paid for really expensive VPNs, and I found that actually they don't work very well at all. They used to, and now systems know that you're using VPNs, and it's a constant battle. And I found, particularly YouTube, worked awful if I tried to do that, so I don't do it anymore. Because what I used to do, I used to have several of my devices watching this channel on VPNs, thinking that would help my channel. But YouTube, when they see a channel going through VPN, don't count those as views anymore. They don't count those views because it looks spammy. It looks spammy. If anyone's doing ad blocker or VPN, it looks spammy. And there are obviously Google and YouTube don't like you doing that. So it can go the other way as well. VPN stops most gamers accessing online gaming. Yeah, I mean, I don't use it anymore. There are better ways to do things. But anyway, you do what's right for you. Church, when you've done all that, I'll re-add you. I apologise for the drama. All right, I should be good now. I disabled it for YouTube and changed my password. Okay, let's do it then. Let's do it then. Add as a moderator. There we go. Hopefully it'll work again. If we see, if any of my moderators see post being deleted by Church, of course it may be the right thing to do. But if he is doing something wrong, not intentionally, we'll remove it again. I listened to you on TikTok and bought Virgin Galactic, but I'm telling you, is Virgin Airways have gone woke? I do apologise, but Patrick, but your comments aren't making any sense. I listened to you on TikTok and bought Virgin Galactic, but what I'm telling you is Virgin Airways have gone woke. I don't understand what that means. Does anybody know what that means? I'm sorry. This will kill Virgin stock. That's what I'm saying. And advertising men with on their flight, even encourage pilot. Patrick, I think you're trying to have a laugh with me, right? And that's fine. If you want to have a laugh with me, I just what you're saying doesn't make any sense. Church is great. Patrick, he doesn't know slang. Yeah, for the integrity of the show, we've got to have... Remember, it's not I don't understand slang. I understand certain slang, but the purpose is, you have to understand is, people will watch back this video at a later date and wonder what these comments were. So we have to have clarity, so people will watch back later. They're not watching live all the time, right? People will watch back later, and these videos won't make any sense. That's why what's on screen is always verified and always clarified. And if I don't understand, maybe somebody else doesn't understand either. Woke. Alert to injustice in society. Alert? What? You've been a member for 3 months. Your badge has turned colour. Church, your badge has turned colour, right? Churches, your badge turned colour. It's gone from blue to green, hasn't it? There you go. Yeah, you got a green badge now. Nice one. You'll be yellow soon, and then you get gold and then red. Yeah, there you go. Excellent. You'll be yellow soon. Okay, it's time to wrap. It's a liberal meaning for society in the UK today. I'm completely lost where we are right now, so I'm going to recalibrate myself, catch my thoughts, and wrap up the show. We've got some requests to do. Wow, look at all the subscribers just shot through there. Do you see all that? Look. Church of Logic gifted a membership. Willow, you just won a free membership courtesy of the Church of Logic. Willow has become a member. Willow, you can now get all the benefits as a member. You can have a birthday surprise like you saw this morning from our other member. You can have a birthday celebration on your birthday. You can get polls in the chats. You can ask me to review stocks and make videos on them. You can also access Discord now and get full Stephen Rowe gold badge. Stephen Rowe. What about gold badge? It goes blue, green, yellow, gold, and then red. Okay. So a gold member is different than a gold badge. Anyway, so Willow, you are now a member of our channel. If I give you Discord, we can upgrade your channel on Discord. So you can call into the show. You can be live on the show, video call in. You can phone into the show. You can have polls, have videos made for you, celebrations. You can upgrade to silver, and I'll put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. All the perks are now open. If you go onto Discord, there's Discord in the chat. I will be able to upgrade your TikTok experience. So if you are on not TikTok, I beg your pardon. If you are on Discord, I can upgrade your account. Anybody that's joined today on YouTube, if you are a YouTube member, tell me your username here and I'll upgrade you. We've got a few people who have joined here who are not YouTube members. And please be very, very wary of the people on Discord and TikTok pretending to be me. I will never message you, never sell you anything. I only ever reply to your messages. I will not start a message. I only reply to you. I do not start a message, and I will never try and sell you anything unless you want to buy one of my day trader stuff from my shop. You will help yourself. I will never send you a message going, oi, buy my stuff. Never do that. All right. Okay. Okay, I think it's time to wrap up the show. We're going to wrap that up. So thank you ever so much indeed. We've got one day to go before my vacation starts. We've got all the videos primed, ready for you to watch the same time every day. They're only short videos, so you need to be in as it premieres so you can talk to each other each day, and that'll be absolutely great. So let's do our song request then. We've got 2 song requests. What were the songs? Could someone remind me? It was there was Sultans of Swing, and one more request has been donated tonight. So let me pump out the smoke. TikTok, I'm going to say goodbye to you now. We're going to go back into the studio and we're going to do some live music. If you want to be part of it, click on the profile link now. Come into YouTube and you can be part of it. And you can have your name on the screen for the song. You can have a request if you want to. But come into YouTube. It's now live concert time right now. So come and join us, and you will be with me here on YouTube. I'll say goodbye to you. I'll see you back in the morning for our cash prize giveaway in the morning. Every Friday in the opening bell, we give away money on our YouTube channel. Links in the profile. See you back tomorrow morning, or join us now on YouTube. Bye-bye for now. Okay, we've ended that on YouTube. Now, Church of Logic has done the right thing this time. Got back my losses from yesterday, Nitz Farrell, and he's deleting all the right stuff now. Good. I love it. Okay. Let's turn the smoke on. Sultans of Swing. We're doing the Sultans of Swing. Here we go. Excellent stuff. Request night. Brilliant. So if howdy, Caden. You mean you ended that TikTok on YouTube? You mean you ended that on TikTok? Yeah, that's what I meant to say. I meant to say that, mate. Anyway, Anks, a police song, please. Okay, we've got Every Breath You Take and Sultans of Swing in the can, paid for by Dexter Sickles and also by Nicky Boy Gaming. So that's what we're going to do now. Let's go over. If you want your name on the screen, you can have your name on the screen now as well. I'm going to put your name up. Patrick Lang, when a company goes woke, they go broke. We're just talking financial terms here. Just if they go broke, they go broke. I mean, I don't know what woke means. Anyway, I'm being respectful to you. I'm replying to all your comments, but some of the things you're saying don't really make sense, and I can't be fairer than that. Al Crazy gifted a membership. This is incredible today. We're gifting memberships all over the place. And you will win a gifted the day trader. Al Crazy gifted 1 day trader membership. Who won it? Fermented Pickles, you just won a membership. So if you want to claim your membership benefits, you can. But right now, though, we're going over. You might need to join me in the morning for that. But you've got lots of benefits and perks, cash giveaways, many things that you can have. Anyway, let me go over now to the studio, Sultans of Swing time, and do our song plus some police, it looks like. All right. There you go. You can now chat in the comments. This is financial. Look at the new adverts from Virgin. Thank you. I'm sorry to bring this up. No, don't apologize at all. Don't apologize at all. And I'm sorry if if I've not understood you clearly. I will try better tomorrow. But I didn't understand the things that you were saying. Put on the headphones, says Mike. Put on the headphones, says Mike. You might want to watch on a 4K screen as well, because it is studio quality. Right, let's wind it up then with our requests. Make sure if you want your song or do a song request, get your name in the chat. Here we go. Let's go and do it. All right. Okay. It's music time. Here comes the smoke. And we got Sultans of Swing first of all. And then some some police. Okay, here we go. What a tough day it's been today, eh? What a tough day. But we're here, we're surviving. And here you go. If you want to get your name on, if you want your own song or dedicate to someone, you can even download and get copyright of the video if you do a $10 super chat. But here is, if you've just, here's Sultan to Swing. For those of you that never seen me before, I'm the World Piano Man. And here is our first request right at the top of the show. Let's go. All right. River in the dark and it's raining in the park in the meantime. South of a river you stop and hold everything, yeah. A band is blowing Dixie double for time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring, yeah. Step outside, you know too many faces, yeah. Coming out of the rain, you hear the jazz go down. Too much competition, too many places, too many horns that'll play that sound. Oh yeah. We are the sultans. We are the sultans of swing. Check out George, he knows all the chords, alright. Strictly rhythm, may you cry it or sing. An old guitar is all that he can afford, alright. Under the lights he is doing his thing, yeah. Harry doesn't mind if he makes the scene, yeah. He's got a daytime job and he's doing alright. He can play honky-tonk like anything here, saving it up for a Friday night. Alright. We are the sultans. We are the sultans of swing. Crowd of young boys fall in the corner, drunk and dressed in his baggies and his platform shoes. They don't give a damn about a trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll here. We are the sultans. We are the sultans, play Creole, yeah. Then he steps right up to the microphone and he sees the time bell ring here. Thank you, good night, now it's time to go home. He makes it right with one more thing, yeah, yeah, yeah. We are the sultans. We are the sultans of swing. There we go, the Sultans of Swing. Okay, so we've got one more request. If you want to do us a request, it's a $10 super chat. Thank you very much indeed. We got one more, and that was for Police. This is Sting, Every Breath You Take. We're going to do Every Breath You Take. Here's our next one. If you want to do a request, you can. It's a $10 super chat, and then you get to keep the video as well. Every breath you take. Here we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. I'm a pull heartaches. Every breath you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching. Since you've been gone, I'm lost without a trace. I dream at night, I can only see your face. Look around me, it's you I can't replace. I feel so cold, long for your embrace. Keep crying, baby, baby, please. Every breath you take, every move you make, every eye you fake, every claim you take, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. I'm a fool heartaches. Every breath you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every claim you stake, every eye you fake, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching, I'll be watching, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching you. I'll be watching every single day, every word you say, every eye you pray. I'll be watching every single day, every word you say, every eye you pray. I'll be watching every single day, every word you say, every eye you pray. I'll be watching every single day, every word you say. I'll be watching, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching you. I'll be watching, I'll be watching, I'll be watching, I'll be watching, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching you. I'll be watching, I'll be watching you. There we go, fantastic. So we got one more request came in from Nicky Boy Gaming. Would you like to make your final request, Nicky Boy Gaming? We got another $10 super chat which buys another song. So Nicky Boy Gaming, I be watching. What do you want, Nicky Boy Gaming? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be this time? Let It Be by Sir Paul McCartney, Yesterday perhaps, Right Here Waiting. What's it gonna be? Nicky, American Pie. Okay, here is your song. Here is your song. Here is American Pie. And this is for Nicky Boy Gaming. All right. Long, long time ago, I can still remember how our music used to make me smile. I know if I had my chance, I can make those people dance. Maybe they'd be happy for a while. But February made me shiver. Every paper I deliver, bad news on the doorstep. I couldn't take one more step. I can remember if I cried. I read about is a widowed bride. Something touched me deep inside the day the music died. So bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Good old boys drinking whiskey and rye, singing this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die. Did you write the book of love? Do you have faith in God above? If the Bible tells you so, do you believe in rock and roll? Can music fix your mortal soul? Teach you to dance real slow. I know that you're in love with him. I saw you dancing in the gym. We both kicked off your shoes. Oh, you dig that rhythm of blues? I was a lonely teenage drunken bug, a pink carnation and a pickup truck. I knew I was out of luck the day the music died. So bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Good old boys drinking whiskey and rye, singing this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die. For 10 years now I've been on my own. The moss grow fat on a rolling stone. I know how it used to be. The jester sang for the king and queen, a code he borrowed from James Dean, in a voice that came from you and me. The jester sang his thorny crown, his tolling can it did adjourn. The courtroom was adjourned, and now the verdict was returned. Was Lenin ready as a book on Marx? The fortress quite dizzy in the dark. He sang dirges in the dark the day the music died. So bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Good old boys drinking whiskey and rye, singing this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I die. Okay, we've got no more requests in now, so I'm going to give it a 30 seconds on the clock. If anybody wants to make a request, it's a $10 super chat. Otherwise, I'll see you back tomorrow morning for the final closing bell. I've been doing it for a year and a half, Monday to Friday. And tomorrow is the last one before I take my vacation. You got 15 more seconds. If we don't get any more requests, I will roll the credits and say goodbye to you. I think that's it. Aliyah, dire straits, dire straits, dire straits, dire straits. Oh, Ian Jackson has made a request. Ian Jackson has made a request. Ian Jackson, what's it going to be? I'll have a special day tomorrow. Ian Jackson, he wants Sweet Caroline. Okay, well, I tell you what, if I can do it in the voice of Neil Diamond, do I get a special surprise? Guess what? I can do the voice of Neil Diamond. Yeah, 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 yeah. Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. And when love hurts, it runs off my shoulders now. Who'd have believed you'd come along? I said hands, yeah, yeah, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you, like a star, yeah, sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good, so good. I've been inclined to believe they never would, but now I look at the night. It don't seem so lonely yet. We fill it up with only two, yeah. And when love hurts so right now, honey runs on my shoulders, yeah. Who'd have believed you'd come along? I said hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you, like a star. Everybody sing it! Sweet Caroline. I've been inclined to believe they never would, but now I la da da, la da 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 da, la da da da, la da da, la da 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 da, la da da da, la da da, la da da la. Yeah, sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline, good time never seems so good, like a star. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline. Okay, we come to the last song. Thank you very much indeed. Here is Money for Nothing. I want my MTV. Look at them yo-yos, that's the way you do it. Let me guitar on the MTV, yeah. That ain't working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Money for nothing, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, them guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a blister on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your thumb. We got some installed microwave ovens, custom kitchen delivery. We gotta move these refrigerators. We gotta move these color TVs. How? That little faggot with the earring and the makeup. Everybody, that's his own hair. That little faggot got his own jet airplane. That little faggot, he's a millionaire. We got some installed microwave ovens, a custom kitchen deliveries. We gotta move these refrigerators. We gotta move these color TVs. I should've learned to play the guitar. I should've learned to play them drums. Look at that mama sticking in the cameraman. Hey, baby, we have some fun now. What's that? Hawaiian noises banging on our bongos like a chimpanzee, yeah. That ain't working, that's the way you do it now. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. We got some installed microwave ovens, custom kitchen delivery. We gotta move these refrigerators. We gotta move these color TVs. What's that? Money for nothing and your chicks for free. What's that? Money till you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Money nothing now. Chicks for free. Get your money for nothing. Chicks for free. Get your money for nothing. It's now time to go back over and close off the show tonight, and we're going to end it all. Let's go back over to the main part of the studio and wrap up tonight's show with the credits. Here we go. All right, we're back in the house, and here we go. Woo! What a night! What a night, what a night, what a night, what a night. Thank you very much indeed. We're going to roll the credits. We're going to find out who took part in tonight's show. Day trader of the day as well. So let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. Literally 1 second. We'll bring everybody up to date. We will do the day trader of the day. We'll find out who won tonight, and we'll have the credits as well. So come right back for day trader of the day in 10 seconds from now. And we're back in the house. All right, let's find out who was up, who was down, how it all panned out in the end. 7.45, a slight recovery in the end, a little bit. But yeah, very, very painful again. Another rubbishy day. Email him, Nikki. Got some questions. Let me just check the question. Thank you all. Thank you, Martyn. Nice. You're very welcome. Email him. Can you walk on the moon tomorrow, Martyn? Walking on the moon. No, I don't know it. How do I send a video, Martyn? How do you send a video? Onto Discord. You've got access to Discord. You can send a video to me on Discord. Very, very easy. You can message me, or if it's relevant, put it in the general chit chat, or just send it to me, or put it in your channel and I can pick it up from there. Thank you, Martin. Most enjoyable. Right, let's go to the day trader position and let's see who was up and who was down. So here we go. I am down 7.45%. There you go. Down 7.45. Let's get all the scores in. Give you a 1 minute on the clock. Let's bring everybody back in again. Let's get everybody in. Is everybody back in with me? Let me just check how many are back in the show. Yeah, everyone's back. Okay, great. Do you know Gangster's Paradise? No, I don't, I'm afraid. Tech Burr. No, I don't. So let's go to the scores. 1 minute on the clock. And let's have a look. So I am down 7.5. Nitz Farrell is down 5.37. Up 0.83, Ali Isles. Fantastic. I love it. Down 3.6. Up 0.87. Down 8.6. Ed up 7.33 up. Ed Nevius takes the lead tonight, up 1.3 on US 30. Up 12.7. Church, you're absolutely crushing it. How are you making so much money? Up 0.83. Risk tight. Wow. Church of Logic, pretty impressive. Church of Logic. So there we go. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him the thumbs up as well. Thank you for your honest trades. Thumbs up to you. And here we go. Church of Logic. Absolutely awesome. Incredible stuff. Church, nice. Dexter's down 9.09. Ali, no, that sounds yuck. Gave my membership away. I was going to be somebody. Nitz Farrell, you gave your membership away. Quickly get your membership back, because we're going to roll the credits. And if you let your membership lapse a few days, like a week or so, but 10 days or so, up to 30 days, I'm not sure exactly the number, you'll lose your history. Ali Isles is now yellow. Church of Logic will be there soon. Ed Nevius is blue at the moment. You'll turn green and you'll go yellow, then gold. No one's gold yet. No one's gold yet. And then we'll have the red ones. It didn't give me an option. Didn't give you what an option? It was meant for you. What is that? What did you try to do, Al Crazy? I can't see what you tried to do. Anyway, that is it from me. We're back in the morning for the cash giveaway. Check your email, Martin. Okie dokie, I will do. Pat, as always, try new things. That's it. Fantastic. I'm all done. That's it. Let someone say roll the credits. Somebody say roll those credits. I'll see you back to choose a member. It picks the most engaged person in the stream. When you buy memberships to donate, I get the tip, but it gives someone the benefits and the perks. And what it does, it picks the person who is most engaged in the stream. So if you're chatting and you're engaging, then you win the membership. If you're just sat there, then you've got no chance. Okay, roll them credits. Okay, here we go then. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. I'll see you back in the morning. Oh, okay. You can't give me a membership anyway. It's only meant for it's only meant for you guys, not meant for me. Okay, here we go. Roll the credits. Let's see who took part today in tonight's show. We have the stars of the show, the moderators. There you go. Mike slayed the restream bot. Fantastic job again. Super chats. Dexter Sickles, Mike, Ian Jackson, Nicky Boy Gaming Channel. Fantastic. Subscribers, Patrick Lang, Rapesh. Members, the Church of Logic, Willow, Fermented Pickles. There we go. Any news on Virgin Galactic? How many more times? He comes in every 5 minutes. No news in the last 10 minutes. No. Still good, still hiring. What can I say? There you go. I don't know. Thank you very much indeed, everyone who took part in tonight's show. That's it from me. I'll see you back in the morning for the closing, for the opening and closing bell. Cash giveaway, of course, tomorrow morning. Big night. Oh, the music ended. I got caught out. I didn't hear it. The music ended and I never heard it. I can't believe it. That's it. See you back in the morning. That was rubbish. Live TV, right? See you back in the morning. Take care of yourselves and each other.